I just want a URL. View page. Okay. And copy that URL. Let's go back to my ads. So final URL. Okay, so we're back to our Google Ads, and I'm going to have ads going to my business plan writing consultant page. Now here's something really cool. If you have 2 pages with, and this is the thing about duplicate content too. Say you wrote this great article, and you're afraid of duplicate content. You could have it on 2 landing pages. You can have different designs on that content. So image first, then text, image, a video, or all the text, important text, break it up, put in just different designs of the same information, right? Have 2 different ad sets going to this URL A and URL B, and see which one performs better. So when you can go back to your Google Analytics, for example, and say, which one did people interact with the website better? Or Google Analytics will say, which ones went to my form page better? Different forms, which forms got filled out more? It is an A/B test. And you can do things like that, right? So headline 1. Every business plan writer. Come up with multiple different ads too, because you're going to come up with something generic. Calgary Business Plan Writer, Calgary Business Plan Consultant. Need help writing a business plan? All kinds of different headers, right? And Google's not going to charge you for creating 20 ads. It's only going to charge you when people click. And what you want are people clicking on your relevant ads. So the more you have, the better. And we have it set that Google shows the best performing ads, so only the best ones get to show. So now out of your 20 ideas, which one's going to be better? Just like the keyword planner, you had 20 ideas, which ones get the most searches? Now you have 20 ads, which ones get clicked the most?
So the budget that you put in covers all 20 of those?
Yes.
Ads?
Now I can set different prices on ads or different prices on searches later, but the plan here is Google don't take more than $10 a day. And say there's $2 a click. At first it's just going to show randomly ads, and then it's going to notice these ads are getting clicked more, and the percent of those ads showing up is going to increase. Until finally maybe there's 2 or 3 or 4 ads that get shown 80% of the time. And that's what you want. Okay, so headline 2, something catchy. This is not a copywriting or an ad writing class. So the description, so we got Business Plan Writer Calgary. You can write more here. 30 character limit right in this section here. Another 30 character limit here, and it would drop down to here. Like that. Oops, I went over. So it helps you be a good wordsmith too. You got to say something meaningful in 30 characters, including spaces. Down in the description though, you can say even more catchy stuff here. And notice my phone number is down there when I did that previously. Copy. Whoops. Oh, too long, 80 characters, right? You can add a different URL for mobile. So a lot of websites are mobile friendly, but you might have a page designed specifically for people on mobile that has less characters. Maybe it's for whatever reason, right? You have a different page for this ad. So just click save and continue. Oops, 1 character too many. There you go. I can click done. I can go new ad. Final URL. Here. Let's copy that. Here. Catchy stuff 2. Oops, went over by several characters. There. Description. Okay. Now I can go done and put in a 3rd ad up to 20, or hey, I'm done writing, I don't want to, my brain's tired, I just want some ads to run, I'll add more later. Save and continue. Okay, preview. So got my location, Calgary, English, these dates, $10 a day, manual cost per click, continue to campaign. Okay, now it's running, it's going to start charging me, I'm going to pause it. Okay, my ads are set up. Now, let's go back to our list of what we're going to do here.